So hello everyone, in this video we are going to study about human body. As you all know that human body is a complex machine, means it is a type of machine that which is very difficult to be understood. So as you all know that our body is made up of a number of cells. And remember that the cell is the smallest structural unit of the body, that in our body there is nothing smaller than a cell. And see, there is one more point to remember, that is that many people many times get confused that which is smaller or which is larger while making comparison between a cell and an atom. So remember that a cell is always larger than an atom. And remember one more thing, that cells are also known as the structural units or the building blocks of the life. So as I told you earlier that our body is made up of a number of cells. So when cells are combined together, they form tissue. That means the definition of the tissue is a group of cells that performs a special job together is known as a tissue. And when tissues are combined, they form organs. Like each organ performs some important functions for the body. For example, the heart is an organ that pumps blood to various parts of the body. The eye is an organ that enables you to see. Lungs, kidneys and liver are other organs which perform important roles in your body. And when organs are formed, they perform in a group. So that means group of organs work together to carry out various life activities in our body, that is called an organ system. For example, the food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and some other organs together help you to digest the food you eat. Such a group of organs is called an organ system. The group of organs that carry out digestion of body collectively form the digestive system. Some other systems in your body are circulatory, respiratory, nervous, urinary or you can say excretory, and other organ system are reproductive, muscular and skeletal. So let's see that how a human body is formed. So when cells are combined, they form tissues, and when tissues are formed, they combine together to form organs, and then organs form organ system, and then the organ system combine to form a human body. And there are some other points to be noted that are important, that adult human body is made up of 100 trillion of cells. Human body is made up of 206 bones, and a newborn baby is made up of 300 bones. Our body is made up of 22 internal organs. There are 630 active muscles in the human body in groups. And there is one more thing to be remembered, that bones are connected by each other by ligaments and muscles to bones by tendons.